Good day viewers, welcome to Vayo's Kitchen channel. Today I will be teaching how to make fruit cake. Here is my fruit cake recipe. Fruit cake is a special cake that is mostly used during Christmas period, mostly used for our weddings and other events. This is a very special cake you can actually make and leave it on a table for at least 2 to 3 weeks before refrigerating it. Here I have sieved my flour and my baking powder together, my 700 grams of flour and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. You can see me display the sugar, which is 400 grams, by the side of the flour. My unsalted butter is 200 grams and my margarine is 300 grams. Both of them are together. Now you can see my chopped almonds, that one is half cup, lemon zest flavor 1 tablespoon. I also have here cream vanilla 1 tablespoon, lemon juice, that is the juice gotten from a natural lemon, 1 tablespoon. I have my black treacle, 1/3 cup, and then my golden syrup 1/3 cup. I also have my brownie, half cup, but you can use more if you want your cake to be very dark. I have inside this particular bowl, I have my brandy 500 ml and mixed fruit 500 grams. And I've also added some cherry that I chopped into it. Now into your mixer, start by creaming the butter and then gradually add your sugar. This is to help the mixer from overworking itself. Now allow the mixture to cream until light and fluffy, scraping down after every 10 minutes of creaming. Now next, break your eggs into a bowl and begin to add. Remember, you do this breaking of eggs one by one into a separate bowl, then into the main bowl. The reason is so that you'll be able to make sure that none of the eggs are bad or that will contaminate the other. Now, scrape down the sides of your bowl, of your mixing bowl, and continue with the mixing. Then add your egg and mix. Now remember, my egg is added into a separate mixer. Now I'm mixing it just to crush the egg yolk together with the egg white. I'm not mixing too much. Remember, when you overwork your egg, it will affect your cake. Now our butter is fluffy and creamy. I'm now removing everything on the paddle attachment. Next, you pour in your egg into the cream mixture and begin to mix by folding in. The next, you begin with your liquid ingredients, starting from your lemon, your lemon zest, your cream vanilla, your lemon juice, and then your black treacle, your golden syrup, and your brownie. After adding the brownie, you mix everything together to be well incorporated. Believe me, if you taste this cake, you will be happy you made the cake. Now, after the whole liquid is completely mixed together, you start with your dry ingredients, starting with your flour and baking powder mixture. Adding a little at a time. I'm going to be adding this into 3 parts to enable me mix very well without it pouring out. You add again. Remember, you are folding it in. You are not being hard on it. You don't have to fight it. Just do this patiently. Finally, the 3rd time, and that is the last one. Mix until everything is well mixed. Next, take 2 cups of your brandy and add into your batter. Remember, the brandy I poured into that place is actually more than 500 ml. This is to enable my mixed fruit to soak very well, and the mixed fruit has been soaked 2 days before this preparation. Then after this, I had to transfer my batter into a different bowl to enable me liquid that is remaining. So after mixing in the brandy, the next thing that goes in now is your 500 grams of mixed fruit. And I'm using scale for this measurement. You can use the electronic scale as well. It will all work and give you the same result. I believe every one of us out there know how to use a scale. The first thing I did was to make sure that the hand is on 0. And when I started measuring, I make sure that because I'm using the red lines, the hand will now be between the 0 and 1, and that is my 500 grams. Then add the mixed fruit and continue mixing. Now remember, the reason why this mixed fruit, this particular cake will last without getting spoiled easily is because you soaked your mixed fruit. The mixed fruit that has been soaked into the inside brandy has the capability of making the cake last, and that is why you should first of all soak your mixed fruit very thoroughly before, making sure that at least a day before or 2 days before. Even mixed fruit can be soaked a month or more before you're baking. It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is that the mixed fruit is soaked before use. Now this mixed fruit is now going to be served as preservative inside the cake. Next, add your crushed almonds. And And after this, pour your butter into prepared pan. Check it out. If the brownie you want is not like this, you can add more brownie, but I want mine a little lighter. The more brownie you add, the darker the cake becomes. Now we take it to the oven to bake, and the fruit cake is ready. After about 1 hour, there is our result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up.